Get a feel for the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado HD. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle delivers the style, comfort, and efficiency you need to meet the needs of today's lifestyle. Confidence comes standard when you're behind the wheel, prepared for the journey ahead. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power door locks, power steering. This vehicle offers the ride you want and the value you need. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.